Hello everyone! So I figured that it was about time that I make this video about a project that I've been working on for the past few months, which is this full Iron Man suit. Iron Man Mark 7 to be exact. As you can see, it's not complete yet, so I plan to make this like a 2 or 3 part video, kind of just showing how I build it like my other prop videos. I started building this and I started recording some of the footage back in the middle of quarantine, like in April. So it's been a pretty long project so far, but I did take like a month off. But now I'm getting back into it and I'm trying to finish it soon. So this is part 1. I hope you guys enjoy it and stay tuned for part 2. So as usual, I started building without recording. So this is kind of what I have. This is the chest and back piece. This is what I built before I started recording most of it. And here are the shoulder pods. And now I will start recording. Hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse. Bye! Here are the arms that I built, which again, I'm sorry I didn't record. I sometimes get lazy to set up the camera, I'm so sorry. But here you can see that I have a built-in hinge mechanism just to keep the arm as one piece. So a cool trick that I did here, and also on a lot of parts of the suit, to add some depth to it, is you kind of cut out these pieces, not completely, and then all you have to do is kind of just push them in and then glue it from the back side. You'll see here I cut it out and then I push it in, and now you kind of have these cool ribs that add some nice depth to the suit. So here I was building the thigh pieces, and unfortunately I did not record myself building the calf pieces. So in just a little bit the video is going to jump and you're going to see a lot of the suit done already. So just want to let you know in advance. So I'm going to show you how I paint the pieces of the Iron Man suit. I use a Rust-Oleum Satin Colonial Red. and I would highly recommend buying one of these spray handles because it makes it a lot easier. So what I first do is I add just a light coat and try to get it as even as possible, and then I end up doing 2 or 3 coats of that. So. Okay, I'm gonna do one more on the back side. So I try to wait at least like 20 minutes between each coat, and I will show you guys the finished product after I'm done. And I do this with every piece of the suit, whether it's the chest, legs, it's the same process. Hello everyone, welcome to Greg's Corner. Okay, so after about 2, I think this is actually, yeah, this was 2 coats. This is what the kind of color that you're gonna get. It's a nice solid color. You can see some white on the inside because I didn't really get in there, but I'll figure that out later. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do to the whole suit. I didn't record myself painting the whole suit, so now you're gonna see a bunch of video of the suit already painted. But I hope you enjoy, and I hope you kind of got the process of painting. I'm not a painter really myself, so I don't even know if I'm doing the best practices, but that's what I do, and it worked out pretty well.